Hi, I'm Aaron, and welcome to this video series where we're going to walk you through understanding the opportunity that there is with online courses and how to get started. You might be an entrepreneur looking for ways to scale, or maybe you're on the edge of launching a side hustle, but you're not really sure how to take the first step. Online courses are going to be a powerful tool for you, because if you're looking for more income, more freedom, more time in your life, and to make a bigger positive impact on the world, then you need to take advantage of online courses. We've already helped over 50,000 entrepreneurs use courses as a way to design their ideal businesses and ultimately their ideal lives. This works no matter what business you're in. The creative arts, health and wellness, or coaching, courses allow you to scale what you do so you can scale your income and impact more people with your expertise. Right now, we're also seeing major shifts in the market that are further expanding the opportunity for online businesses. With the rise of the creator economy, more people are choosing entrepreneurship over traditional career paths. We're also seeing a mass adoption of learning and teaching online, with every generation going online as their first place to learn something new. With these forces at play, there's never been a better time to launch an online course. Now, if you're wondering what this looks like in practice, and how an online education component can transform your business and your life, I want to highlight two examples for you of business owners who have taken action and have seen amazing results. For example, some people use courses as their primary sources of income, packaging up what they know best and teaching it online. Take Zaylee Barclay, for example, a visual content creation coach.
That's the reason why we're using platforms like Thinkific, because they are driven for individuals to sell their online courses.
She teaches others how to create amazing video content, show up well on camera, and ultimately coaches her community on how to drive business growth through content. Launching online courses and memberships on Thinkific enabled her to make the move to full-time entrepreneurship and build a sustainable, digital-based business that she continues to expand. Others use courses as a way to extend and complement an existing business, such as a brick-and-mortar yoga studio teaching online classes, or a software company teaching marketing to gain customer loyalty. A great example of this is Jessica, an occupational therapist who's grown her business through courses. Now, instead of only working one-on-one with clients, she's able to mentor and teach other occupational therapists how to build a successful practice. This has helped her diversify income streams and extend her impact well beyond her local community. If you're like most people considering courses for the first time, you might have a lot of questions, and that's okay. Many people feel that they're either not qualified to teach online, or they aren't sure how to show up online, or they're not sure how to structure a course. What we found is that often the best teachers are only a few steps ahead of their students. Having proximity to your students' learning journey makes you more equipped to teach material and connect to your audience than someone who's reached expert status 10 years ago. We've also seen that no matter your personality type and the subject matter that you cover, there are ways to deliver content online that connect with your audience and ultimately grow a successful business for you. We've seen everything from speakers to authors, coaches, and bloggers build businesses through courses. And we want to help you do the same so that you can experience the freedom and impact that comes with it. In the next video, we're going to share with you some in-depth stories of how people in our community who are just like you were able to launch their own online courses and businesses with Thinkific. Thanks for watching.